Okay, guys, so today we will focusing on how exactly the stack is working. Particularly, we are tracing the recursive code. So let me start with a very simple scope. Please understand, guys, if you know how exactly the stack is working, you'll definitely understand and you will not get any kind of doubt in the recursion. Right. So understand the working of the stack is the most important thing in recursion. So let me raise the question one. I'm starting with a very simple question, guys. Please stress it. I'm not asking you the output. I just wanted the status of this stack so that you will get the much more clarity. Well, this is the first very simple question, and I'm passing the value here as 6. Thing, guys, okay, you tell me first of all what is the output. By seeing only, you can tell the output. One thing, guys, close the compiler for half an hour, right? Because you don't have to run any code. We are doing the tracing, so you have to trace the code. Right? So don't run it, guys. Okay, because I have shared the few questions which is related to the recursions and loops, right? But some of the guys taken that code, run it and send me the Jupyter notebooks, output of that code. That is not I am expecting, guys. आप कोड लोगे और उसको रन करके मुझे भेजोगे तो क्या मतलब कोड रन करते तो मुझे भी आता. So if code is given to you for a tracing guide, please trace it. Right? There are two ways of learning the thing. Whatever the code you are writing, how exactly the machine will react to that code, that we call it as tracing. Other way, you know how to write a code. So think, guys, here you are passing here 6. Okay. First of all, it is a recursive code. It is a recursive code. Now I will put here. Now, is it a recursive code, guys? Yes or no? पहले तो समझ लो recursive code है या नहीं. Is it a recursive code? Why it is a recursive code? If you see, guys, once I pass this 6 value, this function is getting called again and again. That's why this is a recursive code. This is the anchor step and this is the recursive step. Let me write here written. Fine. So what will happen, guys? Initially, I will create a stack here. You know what is stack and how stack will behave. So I'm passing here 6. So now currently n value is 6. This condition is getting false. Correct? Now what will happen? It is going on to the else block here. Correct? So else block will contains n floor division 2. This will be pushed onto the stack. And the function call will go up. So 6 floor division 2, answer is 3. So 3 plus, now this is the top of the stack and the function call will go 6 minus 1, which is here the 5. Correct? Now again this condition is false. Yes or no? This condition is getting false. This condition is true. Again you are doing 5 floor division 2, guys. So 5 floor division 2 is answer 2. So 2 again is getting added onto the stack. So 2 plus. Now again, what will be the function call? Current value of n? 4. So n will become 4. Getting? Now again, this condition is false, right? Because n value is 4. Again, it will be enter into the else block. Again, you do n floor division 2. What's the answer? So again, 2 plus is getting. Now guys, this is the top. This is the top of the stack. What is going now? 4 minus 1? 3. Again, it will come. This portion is getting false. Again, it will enter into the else block. Again, 3 mod 2, 3 float division 2 answer is 1 plus. Now you are passing here 2. Correct? Now, n value is 2. Again, this condition is false. Again, 2 divided by 2, 1. So again, 1 plus. Now you are passing which value, guys? You are passing here 1. So once it will become 1, it will return 1 where, guys? It will return at the top of the stack. So it will return here 1. So here you are getting 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this will get pop and 2 will go down. So it is getting 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 is getting added above. 3 plus 2, 5. So 5 is getting added. 7. Now 7 is getting added here. Now what is the answer? 10. So output will be 10. This is the way the stack is working. I will take few more example, guys, so that you will get the complete clarity. I hope, guys, this question understood online people. Fine. Thank you. Let me take, see guys, I will take first simple recursion. Then we'll go to the recursion tree slowly. Let me take the second question. Let me open. I will change. I will make some changes in the question, guys, so that you will feel somewhat. Currently, I will only trace 3, 4 question. Then you can try. Okay, some few easy questions I will take. Don't worry. Somewhat easy question. Recursion tree also I will not take now. Take later. But आज stressing मैं पूरा पढ़ा दूंगा आपको. Question 2. This is the question. I'm only making one change here, guys. Only making one change. 3 into. This is the function call. Trace it properly, guys. First you try. Same, you are passing the 6 to this one. Here n value is 6. Correct? Now, is this the recursive question? Because you are calling the function again and again. Right? This is your anchor step and this is your recursive. So I will create here stack. This is my stack. Correct. Now I'm passing n value as 6. This condition is failed, guys. So it will go in the else block. This 3 into function call. So 3 will be pushed onto the stack. So 3 into. Correct. Now it is going n minus 1. So n will become now 5. Again, this condition is false, guys. Again, it will come here. Again, 3 into will be pushed onto the stack. Correct. Now again, it will go here 4. Again, this condition false. Again, 3 into pushed onto the stack. And what will go now? 3. Correct. Again, this condition is false. Again, you are doing 3 into. Correct. Now, what will be the value? It will go here. 2. Again, you are getting 3 into. Now, what's the value of n? It will become 1. So, once it will become this condition true, it will return the value on the top of the stack. This is the current top, guys, because last element I have inserted, which is this one. So, here it will return the value 1. So 3 into 1 answer is 3. So 3 into 3 answer is 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 81. Right. 81 into 3, 243. Hai na? So the answer is 243. Understanding, guys? Yes or no? Let me take one more question. Online people. Fine. Thank you. Question 3. Let me search. Only simple question I am taking, guys. Then we'll take a tough question. Once you are familiar with this. ये questions कल किया था आपने ट्रेस आ गया सबका? You got the same answer? Let me guess. Those who didn't understood, let me tell you. What I'm passing here? 5132. So RER 513, comma 2. Okay. Initially, I'm creating this stack here, guys. This is my stack. So what it will do, see, I'm passing 513. Your n value is 513 now. Correct? N value is 513 and R value is 2. Correct? Now this condition is true or false. N is greater than 0. The condition is true. So what you have to do, N mod R, you have to push it onto the stack. So N mod R is what? 513 mod 2. 1. So you are pushing the 1 onto the stack and you have a plus here. Correct. Now you are passing this one. What is this, guys? 513 floor division 2. What is the answer? कितना होता है आंसर? 256. बराबर? Yes or no, guys? 256 is the answer and R value is again 2. Now if you come here, guys, again this condition is getting true. Now N mod R. What is the answer? 0. So I'm adding here 0. Correct? 0 plus next. Now 256 again floor division 2, guys. What is the answer? 128. Again 128 is greater than 0. It is performing the N mod R operation. So again it is adding 0. Plus. Okay. Now next time again you are passing here 64. Correct? Now again it will add 0 onto the stack. Correct? SI? Okay. Now next is 32. 32. Again you will add 0 onto the stack, guys. फिर से आप 0 ऐड करोगे. Plus. Now next time 16. Again you will add 0 onto the stack. Plus. Okay. Now next 8. Again I am telling here is a 8. Again you are adding 0 onto the stack. Next. Plus. Now what is 4? Again you are adding 0 onto the stack. Plus. Now again 2. Again 0. guys समझ रहे हैं ना? So 0 plus. Now next time you are passing to, it will become 0. You are passing here 1. Now again 1 mod 2, answer is 1. So again 1 is getting added onto the stack plus. Okay. Now what you are passing here? Now what you are passing after 1, what should you pass? 0. So this condition is getting false. It is returning true. Where, guys? Here. So here it will return 0. आप इसको add करते जाओ. इसको answer मिलेगा आपको 2. Sorry, 1. Finally you will get the answer as 2. समझा, guys? This is the way the stack is working. And whenever you are adding, always the recent element is it on the top of the stack? हमेशा. Right? और ये जो मैंने आपको बताया था, guys, this we call it as activation records. Element stored in the stack in the form of activation record, or we can call it as stack frame. जैसा आपको दिख रहा है, guys, it's not like a ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनता है मेमोरी में. It will be stored in the form of tree. We generally call it as directed acyclic graph, which is a tag, right? But for a simplicity, this is the logical implementation. For example, guys, suppose I'm declaring x equals to 5 and I'm telling that whenever you are defining x equals to 5, one memory block is allocated for that 5 value. and whose name is X. This is our logical representation, guys. But memory में कैसे stored होता है आपने कभी देखा नहीं? How to read a RAM, है ना? So memory में जो store है, that is a physical way of storing. This is the logical way of storing. Understanding is इसलिए stack is a logical data structure, guys, not a physical data structure. Right? We'll see in the data structure what is the difference between logical and physical. Clear, guys? Yes or no? Fine. Let me take one more question. I'm taking one more question. Two question I will give it to you guys. Then we'll move towards the excessive recursion and recursion tree. See. Else I'm writing f of right or I will call here guys first function f of n by 2 then print. Think about this one, guys. First, you think what will be the answer, and I'm passing here the value f of 512. The way I have a trace, guys, same approach you use for tracing. Guys, पीछे clear है? Previous questions. These guys, if ask how many people came to lab today, मुझे दो तीन लोग ही दिखे, बाकी नहीं दिखे. ये था. Please come to lab, guys, है ना? I will help you. I will be also there with the mentors. If you have a doubt, you can directly ask me. You can reach out to me. No issue. प्लीज गाइस पूछिए, है ना? डरिए मत. मेरे को रीच आउट करना इतना मुश्किल नहीं, आप मेरे को कहीं पे भी पकड़ सकते. व्हाट्स द आउटपुट? वन. और गाइस और आंसर? वन आंसर आ रहा है सबका. एनी अदर आंसर गाइस? ऑनलाइन पीपल व्हाट इज आंसर? प्लीज डोंट रन गाइस, है ना? रन करोगे तो कोई फायदा नहीं. दिस इज नॉट आंसर. व्हाई व्हाट व्हाई? गाइस इतना याद रखो, ये फंक्शन कॉल जा रहा है. लिसन गाइस, लिसन लिसन. If this function call is going up, means n value every time will be pushed onto the stack. उस हिसाब से सोचिए. If n value, this function call is going up, every time this print with the n value is pushed onto the stack. तो उतनी बार n की वैल्यू प्रिंट हो. जो सबसे पहले पुश होगी स्टैक में, वो सबसे लास्ट प्रिंट होगी. क्या है आंसर? वन. ऐसे सॉल्व कर ले भाई यहाँ पे. रिटर्न नहीं करेगा कुछ। प्रिंट लिखा है ना इधर, प्रिंट ले लेना तो है। पीछे आंसर 1 डन। देखो गाइस प्रेस करके बताता हूँ। ठीक- देखिए, initially I am passing 512 guys. What is my n value? 512. Now this condition is false. What is passing now? N floor division 2. What is the current value of n? So it will be pushed onto the stack 512. Correct. Now what is the next value? 256. Again this condition is false. Else part, again 128 will go up and current value will be pushed onto the stack. So print 256 will be pushed onto the stack. Now next time here it will be 128. Correct. This condition is false. Again there will be a call and the current value is be pushed onto the stack. So print kitna 128 and I'm passing here 64. Correct. 64. Correct. Again this condition is false. Again you are passing 32. Then 64 will be pushed onto the stack. Yes, sorry guys, these are all the print statement. They are going to print all the values. So here you have a 32. Correct. This condition is false. Again, it will print 32 and 16 will be passed. Right. 16 I am going to pass. Correct. This condition again true. Sorry, again false. Again 16 will print it and 8 will go. Correct. So print 16 and 8 will go above. Here there will be a 8. Correct. Now again guys, else part is getting true. Again print 8 and the 4 will go above. 4 will go above. Again this condition is false. Again 4 print 2 will go above. So print 4 and 2 will go above. Correct. Now again this will be 2 will print and 1 will go above. So print of 2, 1 will go above. So here the 1 will come guys. Again this condition is false, right? So 1 will print and 0 will go above. So print 1, then 0 will go above. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 0 आ गया आपका. Once the 0 guys, it is returning. It is not returning anything. So stack में क्या क्या है? Stack में सबसे top वाला statement क्या है? 1. So it will print first 1, then next 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, 64, 128, 256. 1 कैसे आएगा? सी गाइस, ऐसे देख के लॉजिक मत लगाओ, है ना. आप इतने स्मार्ट होते तो यहाँ बैठे होते क्या गाइस, ऐसे देख के. ये वाला किसमें? इसमें समझा नहीं क्या बोल. ये जो है ना, जो स्टैक में वैल्यू होगी वही रिटर्न करेगा वो. उसको प्रिंट में लिख दो इस फंक्शन कॉल को, वो वैल्यू रिटर्न दे दे. किस मैं इसी कोड में थोड़ा सा चेंज करता हूँ, ठीक है. अब सही से आंसर दो. समझ रहा है गाइस? अंडरस्टैंडिंग और डिफिकल्ट? Just to change it to mod, guys. थोड़ा ही चेंज किया है लास्ट वाला. पहले में वन आएगा, बाकी सारा क्या है वो बाइनरी नंबर गाइस. उसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करो तो नंबर itself is a password. Now take n mod 8 guys. Same case and tell me the output. N mod 8. Which previous question? यहाँ पे प्लस है गाइस, यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर आप ऐड कर रहे हो स्टैक. यहाँ पे सिर्फ वैल्यू आ रहा है. ये इस केस में अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 कर दूं तो आपको वैल्यू आएगा सिर्फ. यहाँ पे कहीं पे ऐड नहीं हो रहा है. इट्स नॉट गेटिंग ऐड. 5. Why 512? You can pass any value guys. I have taken the example as 512. Answer. One 1000 140. What is this number guys? 8 है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ ऑक्टल नंबर है. This one is a octal number guys. आगे जीरो लगाने से क्या होगा? आंसर बताओ. डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करो इसको. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट ऑक्टल टू डेसिमल गाइस? मत बोलना अब नहीं पता. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3. What is 8 power 3? 512 होता. This is the answer. What about 16? If I'm telling n mod 16, समझ रहे हैं कि इसमें क्या चेंजेस बोल रहा हूँ. Initially n mod 2 is there, it is giving me the binary. Now I'm telling that try to do same thing for n mod 8. Let me write the question. Right, n mod 8 and let me know what will be the answer. Fine, this is correct. 1000. Most of the people got. Fine guys, you are doing good. Appreciate it. Same thing. Now next question you change is to 16 guys and let me know the answer. So n mod 8, what will be the output? Then if you do n mod 16, what will be the output? Tell me the output after converting it into the decimal. $64. बोलिए आंसर गाइस, कुछ लोग सिंपली देख रहे हैं, प्लीज ट्रेस इट। ट्रेस द क्वेश्चन। n mod 8, what will be the answer in this case? Okay. बताना है गाइस, ट्रेस करके बताना है। बोलिए। एक्सप्लेन। 4 आ रहा है, डेसिमल। ठीक है गाइस, आई एम पासिंग हियर 512, n वैल्यू इज 512। सो गाइस आप जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना बेहतर है ना। मैं बता दूंगा, मेरे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं, पर मेरे को ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस नहीं करना है। हमारे दिन गए जॉब के। So here this condition is false. Now your n mod 8, right? N mod 8 is going up and n is what? n क्या करोगे इस केस में? n mod 8 is going up. N mod 8. What is the value of n mod 8? 512 mod 8. What is the value? And what is the n value? Print n. What is that? ऐसा ही है. Now guys, what is the next n mod 8? What's the next value? 60? 64. 64. Again, this condition is false. This condition is true. Now, n mod, see guys, how is 64? 5 mod 8, how is 64 guys? 0 आ जाएगा ना? So what's the answer here? एक ही प्रिंट होगा फिर 512. That's it. Fine. Now guys, थोड़ा सा चेंज, एक और बिट चेंज करता हूं मैं इस क्वेश्चन के चाहिए उतने वेरिएशंस बन सकते, बट आप सही से समझिए बस। प्लीज गाइस लिसन, आपके सारे रिकर्शन के डाउट्स क्लियर करके जाइए। Simple change, guys. First, it is printing now, and then the function call will be there. Why 512? See, guys, you trace the code above one. You will understand why 512. इस कोड को सही से ट्रेस करोगे, you will get to know why 512. क्या बताओ एक बार? It would print the binary. Correct, sir. पीछे guys understanding yes or no, please genuinely tell me if you are facing any difficulty, I will help you, but don't keep it as a doubt, otherwise you will struggle a lot. पीछे I'm asking to everyone. बाद में स्ट्रगल करने से अच्छा है अभी स्ट्रगल करो. Okay guys, first you tell, otherwise I will trace this question. 180. Okay, fine. See guys, here you have a stack. Listen guys, है ना, जो लोग ऑनलाइन बोल रहे हैं repeat repeat, please listen now. I am passing here 513. Your n value is 513. Correct? सी गाइज मैं 513 वैल्यू पास कर रहा हूँ, इसका कोई संबंध नहीं कि 51 क्यों 3 ही क्यों लिया. यू कैन टेक एनी नंबर हियर. I just had taken the example because I wanted to make the tracing somewhat lengthy for practicing. So I'm taking n value as 513. This condition is false because n value is 513. Correct? N value is 513. This condition is false. Now what is there guys? Print n mod 2. 513 mod 2. What is the answer? 1. Mod है remainder देगा. 513 mod 2. It will get the remainder. Now n floor division 2. What is the answer guys? 256. Correct? Now again n value is 256. This condition is false. Now you are performing 256 mod 2. Answer is 0. Now you are passing here 128. Correct? You are passing here 128. Now again this condition is false. Again you are printing here value 0. Correct? Now again you are passing 64. Again this condition is passed. Again you are printing 0. Correct? Now again you are passing 32. ये चलता रहेगा. Again you will get here 0. Again 16. Again 0. Again 8. Again 0. Then 4. Again 0. 2. Again 0. 1. 1. This condition is again false. 1. You are getting here 1. And you are passing 0 guys. So once you pass the 0, it will return. So ये आपको number मिलता है. This is the number. Understanding guys, this is the output for this question. I hope online people understood now. Clear? Fine. अच्छा guys, एक क्वेश्चन आपके लिए. मैंने तो स्टैक में कुछ किया ही नहीं. What is happening in the stack now? I am printing here. What is there inside the stack now? Print will not go inside the stack guys. कैसे जाएगा print stack के अंदर? इस केस में stack के अंदर क्या है guys? Empty तो नहीं होगा. See guys, whenever you are writing a recursive code, stack will be created implicitly. बेफालतू में तो stack create नहीं होगा. कुछ operation होगा. So what is the operation? Simple guys. All the recursive function call is getting pushed onto the stack. यहाँ पे मैं आपको कैलकुलेशन करके बता रहा हूँ स्टैक में, उसका मतलब ये नहीं आपको नंबर दिखेंगे स्टैक. All the recursive function call will be pushed onto the stack. Let me take one more question. See guys, initially I'm taking very simple so that there will not be any confusion. तो guys थोड़ा ये क्वेश्चन कर दो, इसमें मैं थोड़ा सिंपल कर देता हूँ. See guys, I want you to be very good in recursion. The reason is बहुत कम लोग अच्छे होते हैं रिकर्शन, है ना? आप थोड़ा बाकी लोगों से अच्छी जगह पे स्टैंड करोगे if you know the recursion better. This is the question guys, बड़ा simple question. Tell me the output फटाफट. फिफ्टीन क्वेश्चन होने चाहिए. सी गाइस, मैंने 15 क्वेश्चन लिए तो मैं ही प्रैक्टिस करूंगा 15 क्वेश्चन, जो कि अभी काम नहीं. Okay guys, I will try to take as many as question. हाँ मैंने बोला था, ठीक है गाइस, इंटरव्यू भी मैं ही दे दूंगा अपना. 15 क्वेश्चन आई विल टेक, नो इशू. Plus guys, understand, no issue. I will take 15 what? 50 questions, no issue. But you have to be clear with the recursion. F1 of 0, the answer is very clear guys. It is returning n. Fine. Please guys, please ask. Sit, देखो मत. Don't only look at, please try to solve the questions. If you are facing a doubt, please ask. ठीक है, उससे ज्यादा हॉरिबल कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है, इफ यू आर नॉट आस्किंग, आप अपने आप को बर्बाद कर रहे हो इफ यू आर नॉट आस्किंग. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल गॉट द आंसर गाइस. बड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन. F1 of 0, आंसर 0. F1 of 1, 1. 2, the simple answer. What is this 3? Points. Everyone got this answer? पीछे got it, or shall I trace it? Trace. Yes, sir, correct. You are already strong in recursion, I think so. Okay, fine, guys. I am passing f of 0 here. See, guys, initially this is the function. There are 4 function call, guys. I am calling f of 0 means n value is 0 here. If n value is 0, what it will return? N. So it will return here n. What is current value of n? 0. So that's why output is 0. Now when f of 1, when you are passing 1, again you have a condition, n value will become 1, return n value. So it is returning 1. Now I'm passing 2. 2 into n minus 1. So 2 is present in the stack into f of n minus 1 means 1. Again it will return 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Again I'm passing 4. Again this condition is false. You are getting 2 into 4 minus 1. Sorry, 3%. Answer लिख दिया मैंने. So 2 into 3 minus 1 is this 2. Again it will come here. Again 2 into 2 into 1 will go. So 2 into 1 is 2. Again 2 into 2 is 4. So if you observe this code guys properly, okay guys, tell me one thing. If I write one more function, right? अगर मैं ऐसे लिखता हूँ 2, 4, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Trace it guys fast. 6. देखो guys, n value is 8. This condition is false. Status of the stack is 2 into, correct? 2 into what above will go? What above will go, guys? Sorry, n की वैल्यू 8 क्यों ले मैंने 4? सॉरी, ठीक है guys, होम प्रूफ हो गई है सर. So you are passing here 4. So here this condition is false. So 2 into I am passing now 3. Correct? Correct? I am passing here 3. Again this condition is false. Again 2 into 2 into. Now above it will go 2 guys. Again 2 into 2 into. Correct? Now अभी क्या जाएगा ऊपर 1. So once it will become 1, it is returning the n here top of the stack. So guys, 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So 4 into 2, 8. अब गाइज आपको समझ में आ गया होगा ये कोड कर क्या रहा है. अगर मैं लिखूं यहाँ पे प्रिंट f1 of 5, what will be the answer? डायरेक्टली बोलो. 30. 62 की 30. What this code is doing guys? 2 power 0. 2 power 0 0 होता क्या? What this code is? Just giving the power guys. But power क्या है? 2 पावर 0 कभी 0 नहीं होता गाइस. 2 पावर 0 1 होता है. किसमें? 0 और 1 के लिए वो n ही रिटर्न कर रहा है. तो अगर n का वैल्यू 0 है तो वो 0 ही रिटर्न करेगा. व्हाट अबाउट f ऑफ 6 गाइस? केस कर सकते हैं. हाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट दिस? 32. क्लियर गाइस? बड़े सिंपल क्वेश्चन है ये सारे. लेट मी टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन. जैसे मैंने 15 क्वेश्चंस बोले हैं तो गाइस थिंक अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन. गाइस थोड़ा सोचिए है ना. क्या रिपीट करना है? आफ्टर 8 stack it got confused, else function need to be executed. मतलब what? Unable to understand guys, can you tell me? इतना simply sorted है guys. We have not seen any tough question yet. Can you tell me where exactly you are facing problem? बहुत ही simple. एक तो आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो. This question, which one? This one. It's the simplest question guys we have seen yet. You see here. See guys. See guys, initially f of 1 means you are calling this function. Correct? Everyone know? Yes. So I am passing here n value as 0. So n equals to 0. So if n equals to 0 or n equals to 1, it has to return n. So what is the value of n? 0. So it will return 0. Now f of 1, correct? Now you are passing the n value as 1. So it will check the condition. If n equals to 0 or n equals to 1, it will return 1. So n equals to 1 is getting true. So what is the current value of n? 1. So it will return 1. Now second time n value is 2, guys. N value is 2. Now this condition is false. Correct? Now it will go inside this one, guys. What is inside this one? This stack is getting a stack. Now it is doing 2 into function n minus 1 is going. So what is current value of n? 2. So it will become 1 now. Now this condition is getting true. Now it will return n value. So 2 into 1, answer is 2. So you are getting here 2. Now next time you are passing 3 here. Correct? You are passing here 3. Now what will happen, guys? This is the third function call. N equals to 3. Now what is happening here? This condition is false. Again, what is the status of the stack? 2 into, you are getting here, passing here 2. Correct? Again, this condition false. Again, you are doing 2 into. Right? Again, you are doing here 2 into. Now next time you are passing here 1 because n minus 1 is going every time. So 1. So once it will become 1, it will return n value, which is 1. So what is this? 1. 2 into 1, 2. So what is the answer? 4. That's it. Clear, guys? 2 into what? 2 into function of n minus 1. I hope guys understood. Yes or no? इतना कठिन क्या यार? Okay guys, see this one. ये क्वेश्चन आप करोगे guys, ऐसी उम्मीद है मुझे. ओके गाइस, मैं थोड़ा सिंपल कर देता हूँ फिर इस पे आता है. और बोलोगे सर टफ क्वेश्चन दे दी. First of all, is it a recursion question? See guys, let me know you one thing. Those who are facing the issue in recursion, it's a common. सबको initial days में you will get the issue with the recursion. And this entire course of the full stack data science, the only thing is tough in this course is recursion. Machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI, agentic AI, this all things are very simple. Only one thing is tough, this is the recursion. There are two function call guys, function of 99 and function of 101. What's the answer? Answer for both guys, both function. ओके। Okay, most of the people getting. Okay, fine, guys. Please try. 191. Anybody, everybody got the answer? 191. बताइए guys, कैसे execute होगा? Initially, I am passing x value as 99. So here x value is 99. Now this condition is true. False. 99 is greater than 100. False. Now it will go into the else part. Else part means 99 plus 11. You are passing here. Now x value will become 1110. 110. Right. Now this condition is true. It is returning x minus 10, which is 1110 minus 10, which is 100. Now this is very sorted because 101 you are passing. It is already greater than 100. So it is returning 101 minus 10, guys. What is the answer? 91. Clear? Now guys, थोड़ा सा twist. I hope guys this is the simple question था ये. अब बस कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे एक और फंक्शन लगा दे रहा हूँ बस. Don't worry guys, if you are struggling in recursion, it's a common. Everyone will struggle. हम भी बहुत स्ट्रगल किए शुरू. ऐसा लग रहा था छोड़ दे, है ना? बट नहीं छोड़े इसलिए फायदे में रहे. आप छोड़ दोगे तो फिर पता नहीं मुझे. How 100? See guys, initially I am passing here 99. X value is what? 99. This condition is false, correct? Now you have a function. Let me remove this. Right? You have this function. In a function, what you are passing x plus 11. X is what? 99. 99 plus 11 is 1110. Now you are passing 110. Now 110 is greater than 100. So what it will return? X minus 10, which is 1110 minus 10 is 100. That's answer. I hope clear. Let me change it, guys. यहाँ पे एक function आएगा. Please test it, guys, properly. Guys, this is a nested recursive call. Function inside function. इसको कर दो guys, मैं और एक function ऐड करता हूँ. My voice is clear, guys. Fine. सेम आंसर आ रहा है, गलत है आंसर. और both answer for both questions correct. 101 और 92 कौन सा वाला? ये वाला guys. ये nested function में तो 101 और 92 बिल्कुल ही नहीं आएगा. 100 तो किसी का आंसर नहीं है. 100 से नीचे ही है दोनों का आंसर. 91 is the correct answer, guys. Those who got. ट्रेस नहीं किया ना, रन किया ना. If you are running, guys, it's not a work. है ना? सोचिए गाइस और बताइए थोड़ा, है ना? तब तक मैं एक और क्वेश्चन दूं. प्लीज गाइस थोड़ा मेहनत करिए, लैब आइए, मेंटर है आपको हेल्प करने के लिए, हम हैं। कौन आएगा सर? आने के बाद तो हमको नींद आती। जब तक गाइस आप सीरियस नहीं हो तब तक भूल ही जाओ कि आपको कोई ऑफर लेटर देगा। सिंपली बाय अटेंडिंग द क्लासेस यू वोंट गेट एनीथिंग। ना आपके नॉलेज बढ़ेगा, ना वो सर्टिफिकेट का कोई वैल्यू है। ट्रेस करो गाइस, आप ट्रेस करो इस बार। आधे सारे क्वेश्चन तो मैंने ही ट्रेस किए हैं, प्लीज ट्राई दिस वन। इफ यू आर रॉन्ग, नो वरीज, फाइनल आई विल ट्रेस, बट यू ट्राई दिस टाइम। ट्रेस इट गाइस, इफ यू आर रॉन्ग also no issue, please trace it. Okay, this answer is sorted, you are getting here 91, 101 minus 10 is 91. इसमें कुछ भी ट्विस्ट नहीं है। Whenever you are passing 101, 101 is greater than 100, it is returning x minus 10. 101 minus 10 is 91. First one is somewhat twist. Yes, अननोन लोग आंसर दो यार, जो हमेशा देते वो मत दो। गॉट इट गाइस, फिर हम रिकर्शन ट्री पे जाते हैं। प्लीज गाइस, प्लीज ट्राई टू ट्रेस इट। आप खुद से सोचो, यू थिंक रियली दैट यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू विल एबल टू ट्रेस इट। डोंट रन इट गाइस। आई विल, मैं आपको कोई प्राइज नहीं देने वाला हूं, मुझे खुश करने करके कोई फायदा नहीं है। See guys, both answer will be 91, 91, है ना? This is the correct answer. Now you think how I got this 91 is crystal clear directly. You think how you got here 91. Everyone got 91? करो करो ट्राई करो. अगर 91 नहीं आया है किसी का, add one more function guys. Add one more function बोले तो function of x plus 11. 91 ही आंसर है. Both answer will be 91 91 only guys. आप ट्रेस करके भी देख लो, आंसर इज 91 91 है. या फिर आप रन करके देख लो तो भी आंसर 91 91 ही है. सोचिए गाइस, आज आप ट्रेस करिए और बताइए कैसे 91 91. ओके गाइस, कम टू दिस क्वेश्चन, है ना. This is this type of, whenever you have a multiple recursive call, okay, think about how you got 91 91 guys and come up with a solution. इतना एक्सपेक्टेशन तो रख सकते हैं आपसे. नहीं आया तो फिर मैं ही बताऊंगा, वही आपका लास्ट ऑप्शन है. ठीक, बट फर्स्ट यू ट्राई. फाइन. सो गाइस सी हियर. Fine guys, now think here. Initially, whenever you have a multiple recursive call, you mark it as, मैं आपको tracing का technique, you mark this as first sentence, second sentence and third sentence please. Correct. Because n value is 3 guys. Initially n value is 3. Correct. Now what you have to do, you have a function call of f of 3. So I'm making like a tree guys. See here. F of 3. Right. For f of 3, there are 3 sentences. Correct. First is what? F of n minus 1. So you are getting here f of 2. Correct. Then next statement is you have to print hello. मैं सिर्फ यहाँ पे h लिखता हूँ. Then the third is f of 2. Correct. Now for this f of 2 also you have a 3 statements. Correct. Which is f of 1. Then print. Then again f of 1. Correct. समझा guys? यहाँ पे भी इसकी, here also you are getting the same thing guys. You have these 3 statements, right? For f of 1 also again you have a 3 function call this. Which, what are those? F of 0, then print, then again f of 0, right? For this also same thing guys. For this also again you have a same thing, again you have a same. मुझे पता करना है how many times the print is getting executed. तो guys ये ट्री बनाने के बाद can you tell कितनी बार execute हो रहा है? I'm writing here also. यहाँ पे भी सेम है guys. अगर आपने इस 2 के फाइंड आउट कर लिए तो इस 2 के आपको पता ही चल जाए. ठीक है गाइस, मैं थोड़ा पेंट यूज करता हूँ ताकि आपको समझे. ठीक है, एक मिनट. कितने लोगों को समझा ये पहले तो बता दो. हेलो ओनली विल नॉट प्रिंट. अगर हेलो ही प्रिंट करना तो इतना क्वेश्चन क्यों लिखा? ओके गाइस देखिएगा. फंक्शन मेरे को लिखते नहीं आता इसमें प्रॉब्लम. एफ ऑफ 3. देखिए गाइस समझिए, है ना. हैंड राइटिंग को भूल जाइए. दिस इज एफ ऑफ 2. करेक्ट. This is the print. I am writing here P. This is again f of 2. Correct. Now this f of 2 is again getting called. Here is f of 1. Correct. Here you have to print. For each function call, there is a 3 sentence, guys. Correct. 3 statement. Again, you have f of 1. Correct. Now for this f of 1, you have again three statement. F of 0, correct? यहाँ पे print. And then here also 0, guys. Again here you have a 0. Here you have a print. And here you have a 0, guys. For this 2, can you tell me how many print? This is the 1, 2, 3. कितने आते हैं? कितने print हो रहे हैं, guys? 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3. This is 1. For this 2 also it will be, guys, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So total 7 number of times hello will be printed. समझ रहे हैं क्या, guys? Yes or no? I will explain now. देखिए guys, इसको हटा दो. बड़े मेहनत करवाते हो आप. See guys, f of value is 3. 3 statement. आप 3 statement को आपके जहन में रखिए, ठीक है? देखिए guys, these are the 3 statement. For every function call f of n minus 1, print f of n minus 1. So what I'm passing here, f of n minus 1 is f of 2, correct? Here is f of 2. Then you have a print. Then again you have a f of 2. So if you find out only one f of 2, guys, that's sufficient. That is sufficient. You don't need to find out this, right? ये concept of TP में पढ़ोगे जब भी आप dynamic programming पढ़ो, right? So here, guys, again you have a 2 T function call. Here is f of 1, correct? And again you are printing here. And again you have a f of 1. Sorry, guys, handwriting. Sorry. Again, I am telling here f of 1. Let it be, guys. I will calculate this one. So you are getting here 0. Correct? Then you have a print. Then you are getting here 0. Correct? Again, you are getting here 0. Print. And you are getting here 0. So, guys, how many prints are there? This one, 1, 2, 3. So for f of f equals to 2, you are getting 3. Okay. For this 2 also you will get 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 7. 7 number of times hello will be. Clear, guys? Yesterday हमने 6 लिया था. That's why it is printed 63 number of times. So you try for 6 value, guys. You draw the recursion tree on a book and please listen as a task. Okay, guys, we'll take few more questions and we'll start a topic also tomorrow, right? Because, guys, this week I'm covering divide and conquer strategy, right? But from next Saturday, I will take the coding part only on Saturday. Remaining days, we are moving towards the data science, right? So mostly the coding part will be taken one Saturday, one strategy, right? Because you people are aware of iteration as well as recursion now. Now I can take any strategy, whether it is a divide and conquer, greedy, backtracking, anything I can discuss on Saturday. But guys, again, I'm telling, if you're not at all practicing, you will struggle a lot. आपको बोलो, आप Saturday आओगे भी नहीं मुझे पता. If you're not practicing, because सब ऊपर से जाएगा. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इस अभी भी टाइम नहीं है, अभी इनिशियल डे स्टार्ट हुआ है guys. So if you are practicing more, definitely you will get a better. This is my humble request to everyone. Please practice. Whatever the questions I'm sharing with you, you complete that one, guys. You will not get a single doubt. आपके सारे questions बन जाएंगे, whether it is related to the coding or whether it is related to the data science. But guys, problem solving skill में I can help you with the approaches, methods and all this thing. But आप तभी questions को solve कर पाओगे when you are practicing. Otherwise आप स्टैनफोर्ड से पढ़ लो, हार्वर्ड से पढ़ लो, कहीं से भी पढ़ लो, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल नहीं आएगी विदाउट प्रैक्टिस. फाइन, थैंक यू गाइस. विल सी सम मोर क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस. सैटरडे टेस्ट भी है गाइस. एवरी सैटरडे यू हैव अ टेस्ट. थैंक यू. Okay, guys, fine. Thank you. We'll take. You required few more question on the recursion tree, guys, or we'll do sir. Tell guys, बताओ जो भी है. Shall I take few more question tomorrow, or you will do it? Few more questions, fine. ठीक है sir. Okay, we'll take few more questions. See guys, please connect with the mentor online people. है ना? Get clear your doubts. Guys, you will complete the question, or shall I share few more question? There are still many people who have not submitted the first assignment yet. कैसे करना है? Okay, fine, guys, you can go. No issue. Please submit the task, guys, है ना? हम्म. 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 हाँ. हम्म. 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 111 - 10 कितना होता है? एक से एक होते हैं ना भाई. 91 कैसे हुए? जो 101 बरोबर है. हम्म. फंक्शन की कोई प्रायोरिटी नहीं है. जो फंक्शन फर्स्ट है वो फंक्शन पहले एग्जीक्यूट होगा. जैसे मान लो यहाँ पे f(6) है, तो पहले f(3) एग्जीक्यूट होगा. जो फंक्शन पहले है वही पहले एग्जीक्यूट होगा. इनमें तो जो सीक्वेंस है वही, ये पहले, ये दूसरा, ये तीसरा. प्रायोरिटी नहीं है फंक्शन की, कभी प्रायोरिटी नहीं रहती. मैं अभी एक्सेसिव रिकर्शन की क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूँ ये पूरे कल. स्टैक में दिक्कत है अभी भी. ये रिकर्शन ट्री का. ओके ठीक है, मैं रिकर्शन ट्री के और क्वेश्चंस लेता हूँ, बाकी प्रैक्टिस करो. लैब आओ, है ना? हाँ ठीक है, मैं बताता हूँ। जो बोलो क्वेश्चन आप लेके आओ, है ना, ठीक है, हाँ। Sir, I understand the things in the class, but there is a gap while I trace the question marks. See, guys, please, that's why we have given you the online mentors number. Now, guys, please directly connect with, ask them many questions, ask them to trace it in front of you, right? So your doubts will be clear. If still not getting clear means you can directly reach out to me. Fine. I cannot come with you on the Zoom call, but you can send me the doubt means I can try to trace it and I will show it to you. Fine. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, fine. We'll meet. We'll take few more question on the recursion tree and then we'll start the topics. Fine. Thank you, guys.